Hello everyone, in this video we will learn about food pipe or esophagus and stomach. So first let's discuss about the food pipe that we also call the esophagus. So the swallowed food passes into the food pipe or esophagus, which is a long tube-like structure that runs along the neck and chest. The food is pushed down by the movement of the wall of the food pipe. That means a regular contraction and relaxation occurs in the food pipe that helps the food to move forward. Actually, this movement takes place throughout the alimentary canal by which the food is transferred forward. This is the structure of a esophagus, and you can see how food is moving in the esophagus and it is transferred to the stomach. Now let's discuss about the stomach. So stomach is a thick walled bag. Its shape is like a flattened U and it is widest part of the alimentary canal. That means it is a thick walled, it is a very thick walled bag. Its shape is U and it is the widest part of your alimentary canal, and it receives the food from the food pipe at one end and it's open into the small intestine at the other end. That means from one side it is attached to the esophagus and to the other side it is attached to the small intestine. Now the inner lining of the stomach secretes mucus, hydrochloric acid and digestive juices. That means three things are secreted by the inner wall of stomach. First is mucus, second is hydrochloric acid, and third is digestive juices. Now the mucus, which is secreted by the inner wall of the stomach, it protects the lining of the stomach by the action of HCl, because HCl is a mineral acid, it can damage the stomach. So the protection of stomach is done by mucus. The HCl, which is secreted by the inner wall, it kills the many bacteria which is enter along with the food, and it also provides the acidic medium which helps the which helps the digestive juices to act. And these digestive juices break down the protein into simpler substance. That means the juice or digestive juice which is present in the stomach, it is converting the proteins into simpler substances. Now the working of a stomach was discovered by a strange accident. In 1822, a man named Alexis Saint Martin was badly hit by a shotgun. The bullet had seriously damaged the chest wall and made a hole in his stomach. He was brought to an American Army doctor, William Beaumont. The doctor saved the patient, but he could not close the hole properly and left it banded. Beaumont took it as a great opportunity to see inside the stomach through that hole. He made some wonderful observation. Beaumont found that the stomach was covering food. It was secret a fluid which could digest the food. He also observed that the end of the stomach opens into the intestine only after the digestion of food inside the stomach completely. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.